Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to do spoiler text on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, I'm going to make a spoiler text. To do that, first of all put a 2 vertical line and then type your text, and again give 2 vertical line and then hit enter. And after that the text will be covered by a black box, as you can see. And now if someone click on it, the text will be visible. So here is 2 types of spoiler. One is text spoiler, and you know how to do the text spoiler, and another is image spoiler. So now let's see how to spoiler an image. So upload your image and then click on spoiler attachment, and now if I send the image, so the image will be like this one, and now if someone click on it, the image will be visible. So this was how we can spoiler text and image on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.